Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharestudingschool.com. Today is 6th November 2019. Before I proceed for Nifty analysis, I'll just remind you about our today's free seminar. Today, we have scheduled free seminar in Dadar. That will be 2814th free seminar, which we have been conducting this kind of a training programs for almost 20 years. And as a part of that mission, this seminar will be conducted today at Dadar. And those who are interested, those who want to learn technical analysis and fundamental analysis and use those techniques and methods which we have been using in this market successfully, if you really want to learn, please attend. This is a free seminar. You don't have to pay any entry fees. So it will start at 6 o'clock and it will go till almost 10:15. Now coming to Nifty's analysis, friends, Nifty is at this moment, as we have been discussing about Nifty for last 2 3 days about consolidation, and indeed we could see that because of a daily, if you see in a daily chart, it is already in a overbought condition, and in after overbought condition, it has actually yesterday we were expecting a correction because of a diversion in 15-minute and hourly chart, and that's what actually we could see. Only if you look at this bar, which is yesterday's bearish bar, this bearish bar is not a strong bearish bar, but if you see, it's a moderate bearish bar, and this moderate bearish bar is closed just within the range of previous day. That symptom is not in favor of bears. So, in spite of having a overbought condition, in spite of having a diversion, bears were not so convinced, and that could be one could be reason is that it has multiple support. If you look at an intraday chart in 15-minute or hourly chart, you will see that there are various supports at every 20 points, and that is a reason. Even at 20-15 point, there are various resistance, and below 20-25 point, there are various supports. So market is trapped in between those supports and resistance, and that is a reason at this moment market in intraday, though it has started correction, though it has started correction, but pattern, if you look at trend line, it is bullish. So this trend line is a very crucial trend line which we have plotted, and at this moment I believe that correction should continue, but it will not go probably easily. It may not come, it may come test various supports. If you see in this chart, if you see that 11,856 is the area where we can see a support. Once that support is breached, then there will be 11,830. So 850, 56 and 830, so hardly there is a 20-point gap. Even below that, if you see, then once that level breach 831, then there will be a support at around 11,800 will be another psychological support, which or even you can see that there was a price accumulation in the past also, and that is a psychological support, and there was a gap. So both resistance and support has been tested at this level, which is at 11,809. So there are various supports at this moment, and I believe that it's always better to stay away from trading. Let market come test support and resistance and accumulate and form some pattern out here, and somewhere in this trend line, if market comes in, probably we will get some bullish pattern, and let market form that, and it's always better to stay away from this kind of a market, and that is the reason today I will say that it will be a voluntarily trading holiday for us, and better stay away from Nifty trading. If you are interested, go to some stocks and focus on some individual stocks for the trading. So thank you very much, friends, for watching this video. Wishing you best of luck for the day.